Scientists created genetically modified rice that may one day be used to feed the first colonizers on Mars. Given that Mars is at least a 7-month journey from Earth across 300 million miles, and that the planets are only at their closest every 2 years or so, the first humans living on Mars will need to grow their own food. Unfortunately, the extreme weather fluctuations and reduced sunlight make it difficult to grow food on Mars. The situation is worsened by the presence of perchlorate salts in Martin regolith at levels commonly toxic to plants. Scientists have tackled this challenge by simulating Martian soil using basaltic-rich soil from the Mojave Desert. They grow 3 different rice varieties on this soil, including 2 genetically modified rice strains. These genetic mutations enhanced their ability to respond to stress, such as drought, sugar starvation, or salinity. Although plants could grow in the Martian simulant, their growth was less advanced than those grown in potting soil and hybrid mix. However, adding a quarter of potting soil to the Martian simulant led to enhanced growth and development. Researchers also determined that 3 grams of perchlorate per kilogram of soil is the maximum limit any type of rice could tolerate. The data could bring scientists closer to the possibility of inhabiting plants beyond Mars and aid in the growth of plants in regions on our own planet where conditions, such as high soil salinity, pose difficulties for farmers. This isn't the first time scientists have simulated Martian soil to try to grow food. Scientists have grown 10 crop plants, tomatoes, radish, rye, quinoa, and peas in simulated soil. The plants grew best when freshly cut grass was added as organic material. They are also growing lettuce in the simulant to determine the best fertilizers to add. Scientists are also working to improve the simulant to make it more like soil on Mars. Experiments using actual Martian soil will have to wait for future missions when soil samples can be returned to Earth.